Bennett get to the corner first. In the 2 spot, Brennan Hart jumping in there, Bryce Holzinger and Courtney Evinger. Oh, riders go down in the turn. 3-4, we're going to check on little Evinger there. Hopefully she's going to be just fine.
Go long.
You got Bennett battling Hart for the 1-2.
Dead B.
Back on the bike is Bryce Holzinger. Getting through. We're checking on little Courtney right now. Justice Bennett, he's 9 intermediate, 25 wins intermediate. You move up to expert. He's got a good race right now between Brennan Hart. Brennan Hart is 7X, and he's going for it. Looks like Justice going to get you one. Doing it for the bike master. Brennan Hart, good 2. And Holzinger's got your 3 spot. We're checking on little Courtney. She's back up on her bike. Let's give her a hand. Racing with the guys today. Nice job, Courtney.
Riders ready. Watch out.
Motos 13 brings you 9 expert. It brings you Glissmeyer. Jumping down the first straightaway. Wyatt Glissmeyer, Jonah Bond Brothers racing. The orange jersey in your 2 spot. On the pro line, the green red line. That is Green, Chase Green. Vortex rider in your 3 spot. They're all 9X. Glissmeyer looking good. He's got the Max 7 on. He's in the rhythm section already. Jonah in your 2, Green in your 3. Glissmeyer getting out and getting away from you right now. You got to like Chance Glissmeyer. Looking good, showing you how to ride today. Jonah in your 2 and Chase Green in your 3 spot. Gonna get it right here in 10 expert. You got little Julian Stevenson. You got Colton Esme on the inside. Hold the inside line. Julian in the 2 spot. Proctor in the 3. Evinger jumps into your 4 with Golan in the 5 spot. Here we go, Esme. Proctor moving up is Evinger. Can't make it happen. No options in your 3 spot. Getting momentum in the rhythm section. Evinger. Esme, though, Diablos all over this one. Colton Esme, he's 10 years old. And he's in the expert class, and he's setting you apart. Evinger making a mad charge to get those points, and he's going to get you 3 with Stevenson, your 2. Good race, guys.
Okay, riders, let's set them up. On the gate. Riders ready. Watch out.
All right, got the novice riders. Boyd. You got Hoffman. Who else we got in here? We got Victoria Stetson, Casey Bragg Schmidt. Got 10 novice. Austin Keys doing it for Vortex. Looks like Boyd and Hoffman going 1 and 2 right now. These guys are all novice riders. It's a good matchup between some Vortex riders here. You got Hoffman in your 2. You got Boyd, you got Keys, you got Victoria in your 4 spot. Boyd is checking out of this one with Hoffman on that purple bike is in your 2 spot. And Keys in your 3 right now, though everybody's got to give this one to the 166 by Cole Boyd out of Seattle, Washington.
Riders ready. Watch out.
With 13 intermediate, Highland getting out quickly. Sean Highland doing it for Center Cycle. Patera trying to get that 2 spot nailed down, and he does in the turn. Seals off Jason Wilson. He's 13 intermediate out of River Valley. Colette, 13. He's 12 years old. Only with some experts here. Highland in the rhythm section, pulling away. Sean Highland. Patera having a good race here with Jason Wilson, who can get it done for the 2-3. It's all about the last straightaway. Patera had to ride the cruiser today. Wilson can't quite do it to get it a meter rider.
I know. On the gate. Riders ready. Watch out.
17, Zach Shootman getting out of that gate, getting it done quickly. Cheyenne Manning getting in your 2 spot with little Kyler Esme, 14 intermediate out of Kent, Washington. Center Cycle Colors. Only in this race, Shootman. He's got the number 4 on his bike. Zach Shootman getting to the 2nd turn quickly. Cheyenne Manning in the 2 spot. Oh, Kyler washes out a little bit. Hopefully Kyler can get right back up on his bike. Just kind of washed out a little bit there on that soft dirt. Shootman, Manning, and hopefully Kyler get right back up here. Looks like here. Good job, Kyler.
On the gate. Riders ready. Watch out.
Oh, with the slingshot, Dylan Wilson and Kaler get out quickly. Hines jumps in there. Lucas Hines, the aggro bike jersey. The yellow in the 3. The bike master coming up to this double right here. He's getting it done. Dylan Wilson, Kaler, Orange Bond Brothers jersey in the 2 spot. Lucas almost can't quite stick him. He's not giving up. He's staying on Kaler. Dylan just hop, skipping, and jumping right there, skipping every other one, making it look easy. Dylan Wilson, Kaler, Hines, two pretty darn fast riders. Get it done right now, Moto.
On the gate. Riders ready. Watch your light.
Gate comes down. You got Jordan Wilson right now, the number 3 bike, getting into that first turn quickly with Blaine Manning in your 2 spot with Tori Danes. Coming up from Tacoma today to ride, Tori Danes, the 16-year-old girl ex-rider. Had to get thrown in with these guys today, no girl class, so you're going to get Jordan Manning and Tori Danes. Looks like how the points are going to go. Moto number 19. Unless Jordan shuts you down here. Looks like Blaine's moving up. Nope, Jordan going to keep it.
Set him up. On the gate. Riders ready. Watch your light.
We got right here, Landry and Firth, side-by-side racing. Firth with a little kick out, a little jump in that to the first turn. Anthony Firth, BMX Elite, Cameron Landry in your 2 spot. McCants, David McCants, St. Carlos Hunt, 40-year-old intermediate out of Linwood for Diablo. Firth shutting her down a little bit, just kind of working on his manual, so is Landry. McCants is in your 3 with Hunt, trying to make something happen for that 4 spot. See who's going to get to that finish first. Landry's coming up a little bit. Anthony's going to give it to him. Landry and Firth go 1.
On the gate. Riders ready. Watch your light.
Here we go. We got Spranger back up. We got Rod Weinberger, Lyle Rainier, and Juan Rivera make up this moto number 21. Got the Vortex blue on. Spranger getting up after his last crash to get the lead. Weinberger moving into the 2 spot. You got Rivera and Lanier making up your 3-4. Right now, though, Spranger is just separating himself here from this crew on the red line bike. You got Spranger, and you're going to get Weinberger getting 1-2 in moto number 21. We're going to take a little break.